Hello guys, welcome back to my channel SQL Shahid. Today we are going to discuss about the Active Directory domain services. Active Directory domains consist of domain controllers and domains. For example, if I have a computer name called as Shahid -ad, okay, so this will be the normal computer. I can convert this computer into Active Directory domain controller. So how to do that? I will be letting you know in upcoming classes. So here, for example, in each and every organization will be having multiple computers. Okay, in one environment will be having 500, in some environment 2000, 3000, 5000, 10,000 computer. For each and every server we can't go to lusrmgr and create a user called as Shahid and password. Okay, so for example, if you go to run, you will click on OK. Then you'll be in user section Shahid. Okay, I can't create this in Shahid VM computer, Shahid VM2, Shahid VM 500 till 500 servers. I can't go to each and every computer and create the Shahid user and password. So what I can do this, taking one computer, I can convert that computer into Active Directory domain. So if I create a user and password in AD, then I can map it to all the other computers, 500 computers. So here how it work means, this and all be will be under one network. Okay, same network. And whenever this user is created in this ADA, Active Directory domain computer, then if I log in to this Shahid VM1 computer, if I provide this here, Shahid VM computer sends to this signal to this AD computer, Shahid AD. Then this Shahid AD computer will do validation and give authentication to enter to this VM1 server. Okay, so like this it works for all 500 computers. Here, if I create one for all 500 computers, there will be access. Okay, so like this it work, and also to manage this with LUSR will be very difficult. So Active Directory comes into that picture. So if you come to this authentication protocols, what it follows means, it follows Kerberos and NTLM. These things I will be discussing in future classes. So here, if you see this Kerberos, it is default and most secure authentication protocol in Active Directory. NTLM, legacy authentication protocol, use it for backward compatibility. These two protocols it uses. Okay, so to send a signal to this AD from this computers. Okay, so this protocols it uses, and I will be going to this VM and create here virtual machines. So here I'll be going to this Shahid Outlook account, portal.azure. Then in portal.azure, I showed you how to create VMs. I'll be discussing in details today. What is that resource group and all, and regions, about the regions, network, everything, each and every aspects I will be discussing today. If you go to virtual machines here, if you take create here, you have to click on create and click on virtual machine. Then you'll be finding a subscription. I have here Azure subscription one, and if it is showing Azure subscription one, then it is a free subscription. So you can go to next option, resource group. Here collection of CPU, memory, hard disk, network cards, virtual network, everything. It is known as one resource group. Okay, so it is logical, same as like I have discussed in file and file group concept, right? This file group will be logical, and whatever the files are there, it is physical. Same like that, this resource group also logical only. It will group the other resources. Okay, like the CPU, memory, hard disk, network, everything. So why we use this? Because deletion and management will be easy. At one shot, I can delete. As I also deleted this RG1, which I created in last video, that VM I have created. No, here if you see, I have deleted that RG1. Okay, so deletion will be very easy. So that is the reason why we create this RG1, okay, resource groups. Now I'll be going to that VM. I'll be creating one virtual machine. Where create virtual machine. So I can give this. I can create one group as Shahid underscore RG1. Shahid underscore Shahid hyphen RG1. So here, coming to this region, we have data centers in the regions. We are having multiple regions all over the globe. I will show you the geography of that as well. So if I go to that WordPad here, if you see here regions, we have approximately 60 plus regions all over the globe. Okay, so data center we have 200 worldwide. 200 plus data centers we have. So if you go to that link here which is present, if you click on this, then you will be finding that in infrastructure experience, okay, where and all it is the regions are located, where and all the data centers are located. If you see this in view mode, here you can change it to map. Okay, after that you can go to this legend, you can uncheck this view all, and you can click on region. So you'll be coming to know the exact region where and all it is located. So if you see here, we have in America this west US 2. If you go west US 3, north east US. If you come to South America here, this is the geography. Everything you are seeing in this map. Okay, so Chile, Brazil, two regions they have in the South America, and also this Microsoft has a lot of regions in European countries. Okay, and if you come to Africa, African geography, if you see here, they have only one because operation and business is less in South Africa. Okay, so in Europe and America, they have a lot of business operations. And if you see in UAE, Qatar, they have two, three data centers. Okay, Israel, they have one. And if you see here the option which is grayed out, it will come in future. Okay, as of now they are working on it. If you see this dark indicators, sky blue, if you see here, South India and Central India means it is Pune. If you see here grayed out option, which has indicator, it is it will come in future. Okay, it is not in operation as of now. So India South Central means it is in Hyderabad. If you say South India means it is in Chennai. Okay, three location in India we have. So here if you see in this Azure portal, region means here it is showing no Central India. So it comes under in Pune. Okay, Pune data center. So I can change it to South India as well, and Japan. Wherever the region you want, you can keep it, and it depends upon the latency. Also, one thing, guys, I wanted to explain here. This data centers, the regions we have now, inside that will be having the data center. So if you go here to this another link, control click on this, then here one building equal to one data center. Okay, if you see, this means cloud means nothing but data center. If you see here one building, okay, one building, if you see here, means this is one data center. All together, okay, all data group of data center is known as one region. That means here In central South India is one region, central India is one region. Here, like this, we'll be having the data center. Okay, if you see here, one data center, that is one region. Also, in this data center, one region data center, you will be having one production server and another you'll be having one copy. So wherever it may be located in the inside the data center, it is known as availability. What if this region itself collapse? There will be some issue and crash. At that time, you have to maintain another copy, no? So it might be South India, or else you can maintain another copy, third copy, fourth copy, fifth copy, sixth copy. Here anywhere you can maintain, but from here to here there will be some latency. Also I will show you the latency. So from here to there, how much latency will be there in inside the India, how much latency will be there, that thing and all I'll be explaining you. So that and all will be disaster recovery. Within one region it is known as availability, within another region it is known as disaster recovery. Okay, so like this we have a 60 plus region, and data center we have 200 plus data center. Okay, hope you might have understood this concept. And coming on latency, okay, if you click on this link, okay, control. So here you can see that latency for south or central India. Where is Asia? Here, South India. If you click on this, if you come down, you can see the latency test. Okay, then you can click on this Asia South India. Then you will be seeing here latency. Okay, for South India it is 20 milliseconds. Okay, so same like that. If you check for Australia, if you see here in this geographic geography, if you see here, so Australia is there here. Okay, so if I check for any of this Australia location, Australia East means it is for 146 millisecond. Okay, same like that. If you check for Brazil South, then here will be your connection means there is uh, 346 milliseconds. So it depends upon the region. Okay, how far the data center is located, the how far the region is located, then there will be more latency. So it is, if it is in South India, then it is 23 millisecond. Australia 146. Same like that for Brazil, it is more, again 346 millisecond latency. So you can keep according to the planning the disaster recovery. So hope these things and all might got it. Okay, so now I'll be going to that portal, Azure portal, and I'll be creating in central India region. Okay, or else you can select South India. As of now, I'm selecting central India. Availability option now. As of now, you keep it has no infrastructure redundancy is required. If you go to this security types, keeps standard. This and all it will be cost saving, and you can select this Windows 2005 data centers. Okay, free services you can select, and you can run with Azure spot discount for only one VM you can create. Okay, and if you go to this size of the CPUs, it is showing for this only 2V CPUs, 16 GB memory. So you can run this Azure spot discount as well. Here for only one VMs you can run this Azure spot discount. Okay, so you have to give here that password. Okay, username and password I'll be giving here. Again, if you go this port RDP port means whenever we connect to this RDP connection, no, there will be port number, that port is 33389. You can go to next disk. Okay, in disk you can keep it to this HDD, because to reduce the cost. Okay, we have less credits now. Wherever we can save, we have to save there. Okay, delete when VM when this is deleted. Okay, this delete with VM. Okay, whenever this VM is deleted, we have to delete that disk. Okay, disk. Okay, whatever it is. Then next we will be going to this networking. And if you see here, as of now we have this V network. Okay, you can create one new network called as RG Shahid and hyphen RG VNet. Okay, I will be keeping this. If you want to change, you can change here. Okay, I have this subnet range. Okay, here 10.0.0. It will comes under this range, this VNet. Okay, so here public IP. Here I have to listen carefully. What is this public IP? So whenever you create this virtual machine, no, at that time public IP will be created. Without public ID, you can't connect to this computer. Okay, this virtual machine you can't connect. Also, if you go to this command prompt, Windows or CMD, you can check this laptop IP. What is that IPv4? Means private IP. Okay, here IP config. If you check, means you will be getting the IP of your laptop. Okay, so IPv4 only it shows. This is private IP. Public IP means wherever you can connect from any location. So private IP means you have to go to that location. For example, if you have private IP, then you have to enter to the Azure network. And then only you can connect. We can connect with that also. We have to create that VPN and all. I will be letting you know that. So for now you can check this public IP. Anywhere you can sit and connect. For example, if you have this router in your room. Okay, this router IP will be this 183. Okay, so also you can go to this, where is my IP. I have that link as well. I'll be showing you that uh, in Word. If you go, what is my IP, you can go to this, and also you can check your IP address. Okay, if you click this, here it will be showing your IPv4. Okay, IPv6 is not detected. So this is our internet IP. Internet, it is dynamic. Whenever the router is switched off and switched on, no, at that time that last three digits will be changing. Okay, so here private IP means we had to go and connect. Okay, some if I have connected this laptop to this network. Okay, for example, I have connected this to my router. So this is my IP, private IP. If I give to my friend this private IP, connect to this router network, he can't connect. Okay, so he has to come to my home, and then only he can connect. Then in public IT, it is not like that. Okay, so public IP means some anywhere they can connect to this Azure network. Okay, so that is the difference between private IP and public IP. So if you see here, use it for communication within the same network, not accessible directly from the internet. Okay, they can't access directly from the internet. They have to connect to our network. Means whichever I am using this Wi-Fi router, no, through that router they have to connect, and then only they can access with private IP. So here public IP can be accessible over the internet, can be reached from anywhere, provided firewall and security rules allow access. Okay, hope you might have understood this as well. So this thing about the public IP, without public IP you can't connect. Okay, private IP, if you want to connect, you have to enter. You can't go to this Azure data center. You can open the gates. That is and all not possible. No, so that's why public IP is important. We have to connect from public. As of now, you can connect with public IP. So here NIC network security group means you can select none to reduce the cost, means all ports will be opened. So anyone can enter our home easily, means doors will be open. And anyway, the robber can enter into our home and he can access everything. So you should not keep none. In real time, you'll be keeping into advance. Okay. So for reducing the cost for demo purpose, I'll be selecting none. Delete public IP whenever this VM is deleted. You have to click on this accelerated networking. If you keep means it will be fast. So next is management. If you go to management here, uh, so nothing much to change here. Okay, you can select here manual updates only. Automatic updates will be keep means it will it will charge extra. Okay, and monitoring you have to keep disabled. Okay, next advanced. In advanced, you should not do anything. Next tax and all, it is there. I will be explaining that in further classes. Review and create. Okay. So private IP means you can have that person who wants to connect to my computer, he has to come to my home, and then he can connect to the network of my Wi-Fi. Then he can enter to the, then he can access the server. Okay. So public IP means from anywhere we can connect. Also, this private IP and public IP can be this static and dynamic. Okay, in whatever we are using, right? That network in our house router we are using, no, that is dynamic IP, because whenever it is restarted, no, this IP will be changing. 183. Okay, next it might be 184. So same like that. If I connect from laptop, it will be 183. If I connect from phone means it will be 184. And if I connect from another tab, then it will might be 185. Okay, but this network range will be under 192.168.0 dot. Okay, for others it might be this network range for 184, 185, 186, like that. Hope you might have understood everything what I'm saying. Okay, so it will cost this much. Okay, so I'm running with Azure spot discount. You have to click on create. Okay, then whenever you click on create, it will review and it will validate first. RG Shahid Fan RG one underscore group is being deployed. Okay, so in this way you can create this virtual machine. So again I will be creating the virtual machines in the same way, and I will be showing you again how to create and all. Okay, so let this complete. It will take some 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes to complete these operations. Okay, after that we'll be get notified in this notification tab. Deployment is in progress. As of now, it is running. Again, same like that, you can create virtual machines. I want still 2 3 machines because I have to set one log shipping, mirroring, always on edge, clustering, and replication, everything. So, lot of things I wanted to explain you guys. So here, this one will be created. Again, I will be creating one virtual machines. I'll be showing you how to create a resource group. I'll be selecting the same. This is the second machine I'm creating. Shahid hyphen VM1, we can give it like this. Central India availability zone, I'll be giving no infrastructure redundancy. Here standard, I will be keeping security type. This one will be same. And this thing you can't run again. If you click on this, you can see here there is an error. Okay, second Azure spot 3 CPU are needed for this configuration, but only one CPU is remain in your subscription. It won't allow. So you have to uncheck this. So these things already told you. If I click on this, we will be having this error. Again, I can give this password. So here next disk, in disk you have to, in disk you have to go to this HDD you can go. Next networking, public IP had to give create. Without public IP you can't connect. So with private IP you can't connect. You have to connect to that network, Azure network. Then only you can connect with private IP. Or else you have to go to the data center and connect there. You have to search for that particular data center. How you can do that and all? It is impossible. Okay, so that's the reason we connect with public IP. You can have to select advanced in real time. For demo purpose, you have to select none. Delete public IP when VM is deleted. Next management. Here in management, you have to go down and this you have to keep in manual updates. Next monitoring. Then you have to disable monitoring. Next review and create. VM1 also it is getting created. Validation password. Okay. So per hour, this is charging USD 0.22 USD per hour. If you see here, this is this VM Shahid iPhone AD is created successfully. This second one is creating, and parallelly I will be creating another VM. Okay, so create. Click on create a virtual machine. So I can create Shahid iPhone. Uh, Resource group we have already. You can select the same resource group. This all the VMs we are keeping in same resource group. So resource group is very important. Okay, the Shahid iPhone RG1 group, we are in that group we are keeping these VMs. Okay, this also deployed and also like Shahid iPhone VM2, I am again creating this availability zone, no infrastructure redundancy. You can select security type has standard image 2024 data center. You can't select this. So again now you can give it has SSHID Shahid. I'm giving password. You can click on next. Ignore. Here you can select standard HHD. Next networking, public IP is mandatory. Again, you have to click this NIC network security group none. Delete IP when VM is deleted. And here in management, you can select manual updates. Next monitoring, you have to disable monitoring. Means why we need monitoring? Like we are doing for demo purpose. No, in real time we can enable monitoring. So advanced review and create, you can click on it. So same thing, it will be deployed. You can go to this two three servers are created. Okay, same like this you can also do in your in your Azure accounts. Okay, you can create with create VMs and keep it ready. Okay, so in next class I will be showing you how to connect to this public IP. Already have shown you. Again, I will have to show you because these things and all goes on till this Azure topic completes. Okay, so that's all for today's classes. Hope you have understood this. If you like this video, please share, subscribe to my channel. Bye. Take care.